Hello, this is Howard Steiner from the Gadgeteer, and I'm going to present the Logitech Spotlight wireless presentation remote. Compare that with red and green LED laser pointers in order to demonstrate the capabilities of the Spotlight. I want to start on this introductory screen and show that a red laser pointer is really not visible at all. I can show the red laser pointer against the amplifier at the bottom of the screen, and when it moves onto the screen, it disappears completely. That's one red pointer. I have another one, both with fresh batteries. The green laser pointer is somewhat brighter. Just turn this on here. You can see the green laser pointer, but this also suffers from reflecting directly off the glass of the TV and illuminating the back row. So if I hold this at a high angle, there's a chance I can direct this laser light right in someone's eye. I'm going to show now the Spotlight. So the Spotlight, there it is. You can clearly see where I'm pointing with it, and I have a couple different modes. I have the magnification, the circle, and also the highlighting mode. So all of those things work quite well. I'll show that on the screen of the computer presenting this material, there's a countdown timer that shows where it is in the presentation, and actually, because it's an extended screen, I can move the presenter, if I need to, right onto my screen in order to manipulate some programs or some information there if I need to. I'm just pausing for a second. You'll hear that when this drops down to 5 minutes left, the presenter did vibrate a little bit, and I have the time went from white to green, which should gather my attention to the presentation. I'm not really using that timer, I'm just showing that it did vibrate at 5 minutes. That 5-minute vibration isn't adjustable. Okay, so I've compared this with red laser and green laser. You can see that the Spotlight is a lot easier to see on the screen, and also this highlighting, or this type of Spotlight, will carry on to other monitors. So now what I want to show is how this might be used in a presentation. And I base this off of the signal that was received back in 1977 by the Ohio State University Big Ear radio. And that radio received a signal from this area over here at the tip of this arrow from space. It was a radio telescope that received a very large signal. And I'm just presenting on this information as sort of a demonstration of the remote capabilities. I'm not saying there's aliens there, I'm just showing that I identify it as italicized text. And again, I can highlight the tip of this arrow if I want to. So this is an interesting slide. This is the constellation Sagittarius. Again, one of the good things about this remote is that I can highlight information that I want to. And one thing in particular that's useful is I can magnify things. So no one would be able to read any of these text descriptions on the screen without magnification. But with magnification, you can see the SEA 55 globular there. You can also see some other items. There's the index 4776 there. There's the NGC 6652. And you wouldn't be able to see those unless I had magnification, so that's very useful. So this is that signal that was received in 1977. Again, if I want to, I can highlight that over here and differentiate that from the rest of the information. One thing is that the highlight doesn't seem to work on a black background, so you'd want to have that background be something other than black. This slide over here is I took a bunch of sample textures from PowerPoint, and you can see that it doesn't really matter what the background is, as long as it's not black. You'll be able to see the magnification, the highlighting, or the circle behind it. Circle even works on white. And just going back to the black, the circle also works on black, just not the highlighting. Magnification would also work a little bit. You'd see this circle over here. So that concludes the demonstration. Thank you very much, and hope you enjoyed the article.